This is not just a story. It is about how one small act of kindness can change many lives. It shows the quiet power of human connection. A power we often don't see. A power that begins with something very small. This story starts with a simple meal. It is a cold December afternoon. The city is busy. People are walking fast. No one is looking at each other. Sarah is a young student. She is tired and worried about her own life. She doesn't have much, but she keeps going. On the street, she sees a man sitting alone. His name is Mark. He looks sad and lost. Sarah stops. She feels unsure. Then she does something simple. She offers him her lunch. They look at each other for a moment. Mark is surprised. Then he takes the food. They don't talk much. No big words. Just a warm meal on a cold day. Sarah walks away. She thinks it was nothing special. Just a small, kind moment. For Mark, that meal means everything. It shows him that someone cares, that he is not invisible. For the first time in a long while, he feels hope. Soon after, Mark starts trying again. He asks for help. He goes to a job interview. Step by step, his life improves. He gets a job. He feels stronger. One day, Mark sees another person who looks lost, just like he once was. This time, Mark stops. He helps. He gives kindness back to the world. Emily is a young artist. She feels stuck. She believes her art is not good enough. One day, she hears Mark's story. It touches her heart. She feels inspired. She starts painting again. Her art is about people, about kindness, about hope. One painting becomes very popular. Many people see it. Many people feel something when they look at it. A man named Daniel sees Emily's painting. Daniel helps communities. He is looking for new ways to do good. The painting moves him. He believes small actions can change lives. Daniel starts a program to help young people. Mentors guide them. People support each other. The community grows stronger. All of this began with one shared meal. Sarah continues her life. She never thinks about that day again. One day she sees Emily's painting. Later, she hears about the program. Slowly, she understands. Her small act mattered. It changed more than one life. She feels amazed and grateful. Kindness does not need to be big. It does not need to be planned. One small action can travel far, and sometimes it can change the world.